No pictures, no videos, no voice, just chat. You must be over 18. You'll receive bonuses and payments are made weekly. If you're shy or introverted, this is the job for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Teacher Brian again. Today I have another chat-based job opportunity to share with you where you can earn money by chatting online and get paid weekly. So stick around until the end. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And when you're ready, let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll be doing. You'll be working as a chat operator, and your client won't see you or know your identity. No pictures, no videos, and no voice, just text. You'll be chatting with clients, mostly from the US, who want to talk with fictional characters instead of a chatbot. You'll act as that character, and they can chat with you about anything, from life and sports to business and politics. But don't worry if a topic makes you uncomfortable. You can easily exit the chat without any obligation. Now that you know what the job entails, let's talk about the requirements. First and foremost, you need to be fluent in written English. Your grammar and writing skills must be excellent since all communication is through text. You also need to be at least 18 years old, and we'll ask for proof of your age with an ID. This could be a national ID, passport, voter's ID, or driver's license. You must also agree to our privacy policy and contract terms, ensuring that all conversations remain confidential. Next, you'll need the necessary equipment, a laptop or computer with a reliable internet connection. A strong connection is essential to stay connected while chatting. There is also a minimum message quota per week. You'll need to send a certain number of messages to remain active, or your account may be deactivated if you don't meet the requirement. This platform is available worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can access it. Now let's talk about the perks. First, there are bonuses. You can earn extra by meeting your quota, having good performance, referring friends, or working during peak hours. The platform is flexible, allowing you to choose your own working hours and location. One of the best parts, you'll be paid weekly and payments are made in euros via BitSafe, Stripe, or PayPal. As an independent contractor, you're responsible for your taxes since they won't be deducted from your earnings. Now let's talk salary. As a chat operator, your pay is based on the number of messages you send. Rates vary depending on factors like time of day, holiday work, and client demand. According to the platform, you can earn between $100 and $300 per week by working 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. Top agents achieve higher earnings, but as a beginner, you'll need to build up your skills and dedication. Here's a breakdown of potential earnings. In your first week, with 25 to 35 messages per hour and 15 to 20 hours of work, you can make between $110 and $120, $170. By week 2, if you're averaging 35 to 45 messages per hour and working 20 to 30 hours, your earnings could reach $220 to $280. By week 4, experienced chatters averaging 45 to 60 messages per hour and working 20 to 40 hours can earn up to $340 per week. These are just estimates to give you an idea of what to expect. The application process is simple, with just 3 steps. First, fill out your name and email on the platform's website. They'll contact you for verification, mainly to confirm that you're over 18. Finally, you'll go through online training where they'll introduce you to the system and offer tips on how to chat effectively. If you found it interesting, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave your comments. And we will try to record more interesting and useful content for you in our favor. See you there.